कित्याक लोक इतले जाण दुसऱ्या राष्ट्राचो पासपोर्ट घेवपा लागल्यात आणि ताजो गोंयचेर परिणाम कितें?
Why Goans surrender is because Goans have easy access to Portuguese passport.
कोण तरी गांवांतलो शहरान येता, इट इज नॉट बिकॉज ही डज नॉट लव हिज विलेज, बट ही वॉन्ट्स बेटर ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज इन द सिटी.
It would affect me only in three ways. That I would lose my right to vote, I would lose my right to contest elections, and that I would not be entitled to buy any agricultural land.
Much before the liberation, Goans have been migrated in thousands to East Africa. They were migrating to West Asia. Migration is part of the Goan Catholic parampara, as I may say. So it is not something new.
तुमचे जे इंडियन्स आसा देशा भायर, दे आर अवर बिगस्ट कंट्रीब्युटर टू फॉरेक्स रिझर्व्स.
I made it very clear that I have never applied for Portuguese citizenship.